here at the base of Mangere Mountain. It's an extinct volcano. This is the crater right there, and we're going to walk right up to the top here. I normally come here at least once a week to get some organic treadmill exercise on. Most of Auckland actually has a lot of volcanoes here, extinct ones, so they're really good to walk up. There's Mount Eden, Mangere, which is One Tree Hill, this one, Mangere Mountain. So there's a whole bunch of them. We're here with the niece and the sister, so we're just going to take our time and get up there. At one of the summits here at the top of Mangere Mountain. The other summit is just over there, but some of that footage is pretty awesome, isn't it, of the mountain. Loving the drone, loving the shots. Most of them I shoot at 4K 25 frames per second. Anyway guys, time to get up to that summit and might give the drone one more run around the mountain.
But we had one more important sound we wanted you to hear.
Come on and hear our opening invitation to the dance.
Somebody make some noise in this joint, man!
Well, made it to the summit. Here's the crater, guys. Extinct volcano. One of the inner plumes. Over there is Otahuhu, Auckland City, One Tree Hill, Manukau Harbour, which goes out to the ocean. Airport's over here. So I'm getting the hang of the drone now, which is pretty good. Just getting used to the joystick and the maneuvering and all that kind of thing. It's really sensitive, so I need to adjust a few settings, which would be good so I can get it running a bit more smoother, and adjusting some of the video settings as well. I've seen that some of the drones, well the MAVIC Pro ones, can go around 20 kilometers, which is pretty far. Everywhere I launch it, you've got to plot a return to home point, so that if anything happens, it'll immediately come back home. So the drone is set for that. In terms of emergencies, it's been a good walk. Gonna head back, go have some lunch, and then off to a meeting, because I'm running an event in April. So yeah, busy day today. hope you guys have enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys on the next video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to this channel. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life, guys. So she's got walkie-talkies to my brother. He's right down there.
Send the drone so he can see my abs up close. Over.